So, cravings ba ang hanap ninyo? Like, unlimited na pagkain, unlimited na food, unlimited na pork, chicken, or beef. Dito na sa Yakiniku, saan good ang kanilang service, good ang ambience, good ang place, good ang price, good ang quality. And here are my friends, Barkada, Bulaklak. But seriously, it is the time that sometimes you just have to slow down. Just being mindful, there's a time na meron ka. Small act of kindness and shout out to Miss Ems. A little bit here, a little bit there. Just quiet. Just reflecting. And sometimes overwhelmed ka ng mga bagay na cravings mo lang. Pero deep inside, it is not just a physical cravings. It is the memories. It is the time. Maybe over a food. Niluluto yung food and capturing the moment kahit gaano pa yan ka-intense. But being mindful and thankful with whatsoever you have. Meron drinks. And sometimes, just a scoop of ice cream. And now maybe meron ka pang mga cravings na hindi mo nakukuha or mga goals. Pero maaari, you are already walking in one of your previous goals. And I remind you na it is normal that we cannot figure things out perfectly. We can become vulnerable, even fragile. But when we chose those things to limit us, then that's the only time we feel that day. So kung may next day, ibig sabihin, we can still choose to do differently or to stay the same. So ikaw, it's your turn. Anong story Yakiniku mo? So kung meron ka mga cravings, may it be on physical things or maybe in the journey that you have in life, hopefully you can find it one day.